Have you ever felt frustrated, unheard, or even attacked when you thought you were doing everything right? What if I told you that sometimes, the loudest wake-up call comes from the least expected person? In Job 33, Elihu steps in, a young man, and dares to challenge not only Job but his friends, revealing truths that most would miss. It's controversial, it's bold, and it turns conventional thinking upside down. By the end of this video, you'll see that what feels like criticism can actually be a gateway to clarity, growth, and even redemption, if you're willing to listen closely. Then, let's read the chapter together. But now, Job, listen to my words. Pay attention to everything I say. I am about to open my mouth. My words are on the tip of my tongue. My words come from an upright heart. My lips sincerely speak what I know. The Spirit of God has made me. The breath of the Almighty gives me life. Answer me then, if you can, stand up and argue your case before me. I am the same as you in God's sight. I too am a piece of clay. No fear of me should alarm you, nor should my hand be heavy on you. But you have said in my hearing, I heard the very words, I am pure, I have done no wrong, I am clean and free from sin. Yet God has found fault with me, He considers me His enemy. He fastens my feet in shackles, He keeps close watch on all my paths. But I tell you, in this you are not right, for God is greater than any mortal. Why do you complain to Him that He responds to no one's words? For God does speak, now one way, now another, though no one perceives it. In a dream, in a vision of the night, when deep sleep falls on people as they slumber in their beds, He may speak in their ears and terrify them with warnings, to turn them from wrongdoing and keep them from pride, to preserve them from the pit, their lives from perishing by the sword. Or someone may be chastened on a bed of pain with constant distress in their bones, so that their body finds food repulsive and their soul loathes the choicest meal. Their flesh wastes away to nothing, and their bones, once hidden, now stick out. They draw near to the pit, and their life to the messengers of death. Yet if there is an angel at their side, a messenger, 1 out of 1,000, sent to tell them how to be upright, and he is gracious to that person and says to God, spare them from going down to the pit, I have found a ransom for them, let their flesh be renewed like a child's, let them be restored as in the days of their youth, then that person can pray to God and find favor with Him, they will see God's face and shout for joy, He will restore them to full well-being. And they will go to others and say, I have sinned, I have perverted what is right, but I did not get what I deserved. God has delivered me from going down to the pit, and I shall live to enjoy the light of life. God does all these things to a person, twice, even 3 times, to turn them back from the pit, that the light of life may shine on them. Pay attention, Job, and listen to me. Be silent, and I will speak. If you have anything to say, answer me, speak up, for I want to vindicate you. But if not, then listen to me, be silent, and I will teach you wisdom. Let's say a quick prayer to thank the Lord for His mercy. Lord, thank you for the lessons we've discovered today in Job 33 and through Elihu's words. Thank you for opening our eyes to your wisdom, for showing us how you speak even in the quiet moments and guide us through challenges. Help us, Lord, not just to read and understand, but to live these truths every day, to listen more, respond with patience, and grow through every trial. Give us courage to embrace correction and clarity, and teach us to apply your wisdom in our work, relationships, and decisions. Keep us close, Lord, so your guidance shapes every step we take. Amen. Now that you've seen how Elihu challenges Job and offers divine insight, it's time to ask yourself, are you really listening when life nudges you, or are you too caught up in defending your own perspective? How often do you pause to read, reflect, and let wisdom guide your next move? Imagine applying these lessons, embracing gentle correction, recognizing hidden opportunities in hardship, and letting truth shape your decisions. What would change if you approached your struggles with patience and open ears? Don't just watch, take action. Start by reading Job 33 and reflecting on the lessons Elihu brings. Share in the comments which insight challenged you the most. Are you ready to let wisdom guide your steps and transform your perspective on suffering and growth? If so, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and keep learning how timeless truths can reshape your life every single day. And, as always, don't forget to check the last video and learn more about the scriptures.